Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today we're going to be making some vegetable skewers in the air fryer. So I'm only going to make a few, and I have them soaking in water. It just makes it a little bit easier to get your vegetables off after they're through frying. So I have some zucchini, peppers, onions, and those are tomatoes. They're Roma tomatoes that have been, the seeds have been taken out. First, I'm going to just take everything and put it in a Ziploc bag so I can season with my oil and spices. Okay, to my bag of vegetables. So I have around 2.5 cups of vegetables. I'm going to add avocado oil. So I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Just going to make sure they get coated real well with the oil. And now you can start adding your seasoning. So I'm just going to add the traditional seasoning that I normally use: salt, pepper, garlic powder, I'm going to add around a tablespoon of each. Then also I like using Italian seasoning. Now you can add minced garlic if you would like instead of the garlic powder. It's up to you. And then mix it around again. Randomly place on your skewer. So when you come back, I'll go ahead and have these on the skewers ready to put in the air fryer. I have my skewers ready to go. I have a couple that are just zucchini, one that's just onion, and then a mixture on the rest. So this should please all of my family members. In the bottom, I went ahead and put the grill pan. So now I'm going to space them out in opposite directions. And that leaves me 4 and 4. Air fryer inside one, preheated to 400 already. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it at 400 again. I'm gonna start. At 8 minutes, and then I will check. That probably will be enough. I know it'll be enough for the ones that I'm cooking now, and then I'll add the additional 4 as soon as I take out the hamburger meat and get those started in the second pan. Okay, just out of the air fryer. Looks great. This was the second batch, so I'm gonna take those out and plate them and show you what the finished product looks like. Here are the finished kebabs with a hamburger steak. So 8 for each person. Since I was using both air fry bins, I cooked a little bit longer. You may want to reduce to 6 minutes depending on your air fryer and your preference for crunchiness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.